This is just a sample of the training available at itdvds.com. To see complete training, please go to itdvds.com. Let's begin the sample. Now, if we are going to allow users to create their own distribution groups, it's a good idea to create a distribution group naming policy. So let's go up to Recipients. I've got Groups selected. Click on the ellipsis here, and we're going to configure the group naming policy. So here we can create our naming convention that when users create groups, it adheres to that naming convention. So we have a couple different options here. We can use an attribute of the group, like city, for example. So when a user creates a group, it will be prefixed with the city field of that group. And there are a lot of different other attributes we can use. Country code, department, office, title. So that's one option. We can also use our own text. For example, DG underscore. So this way, all groups that are created by users will be prefixed with a DG underscore so that everybody knows that they're distribution groups and they're all nice and sorted in the global address list as opposed to scattered all over the global address list. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And we could also do the same with suffixes. So if we wanted something to automatically be appended to the end of the group name, we could do that here. We can also use blocked words. So if there's a word, maybe we don't want the word distribution to be in the distribution group name, or the word group to be in the distribution group name. Then we can add those words and they'll be blocked from the distribution group name. So I'll go ahead and click Save. Now I'm going to go over and log in as L. Watts into the Exchange Admin Center. Again, Watts just a regular user. Let's go to Groups. And let's create a new distribution group. And I'm going to call this one, let's say, Graphic Design. Give it the alias here. That's the actual email address. Give it a description. Add some members if I'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and save it. And it lets me know, in accordance with the group naming policy for your organization, this group has been created with the following name, DG underscore graphic design. So you may actually use a naming convention that lets you know that another user created this. So you could have a prefix USR DG underscore graphic design, because the group naming policy only affects groups that are created by regular users. They are not affected by groups that are created by admins. See, I'm logged into Exchange Admin Center as administrator. If I create a group, I can name it whatever I want, and the group naming policy doesn't apply.